Hey guys, you know what week it is? Halloween week! Yes, this is the second episode into King Hippo's Halloween week. Yes. I would just like to start off by saying, I improv my videos, so if you see me looking off to the side, that's just me trying to think of things to say. Anyway, back to Halloween. Today, I will be reviewing... Wait for it. Texas Chainsaw Massacre for the Atari 2600. Now, I am not trying to copy the nerd. There are not really many Halloween-related games back then. There really aren't many. And I usually do classic games, but I also do more recent games, obviously. Anyway, I'm getting off track. Yes, this one you play as Leatherface, which is kind of cool. I mean, I would have really liked it if you played as Michael Myers in Halloween, but he wasn't the main character. He was the main antagonist, but he wasn't the protagonist. Anyway, again, I'm losing topic. So, you're running around Texas, killing things, mainly people. It's very desolate. There's not much to do. I mean, from the occasional bikes that you will get stuck on, even if just one little pixel touches a fucking bike. This one's not really fun. Like, the Halloween one, that was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. I honestly enjoyed it. This one is boring. There's not much to do, except to run around for hours, or until your fuel ends, which will happen eventually, and it goes pretty fast. So, it sucks, it's stupid, it's annoying, I don't like it, it's monotonous, and it's downright just boring, like, ugh. But it's not as bad as the game that I will be reviewing for the 31st. That one I'm not looking forward to. I honestly am not looking forward to that one. Anyway, so yes, you, I guess, are supposed to be Leatherface, and your chainsaw honestly looks like a giant fucking, I don't know, a stick with other squares on it. That's the only way to describe it, and it sounds... That will probably be a GIF. But yes, it's annoying. It sounds fucking horrible. It's just degrading to a great slasher film. I mean, it just sucks. Now I'm starting to sound monotonous, but there's really nothing else to say about it other than it sucks. And that's the problem. It's boring. Just like how I'm sounding, it's monotonous. There's really nothing you can say about it. There's nothing to do in the damn game. And it's just no other word for it than it sucks. I believed this game was worse than the Bugs Bunny prototype I just played. This is going to be a long fucking week. I give it a 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And game on.